Our last day in Romania, guys. We're going to Old Town.
Kevin.
What? Huh? Ayan na naman, guys. 1 minute walk. Let's go. Ayan, guys, ang Piazza Revolution. Yan daw yung rebirth. Ha? Where? Maybe tonight. Yan, guys. Yan na, guys. Enesco Festival. There. Ne, we good there, man. May mga Pilipino ata siya. Sa tourist. Na? Diba ang ganda, guys? Our last day, guys. Paripatu Museo Nacional de Arte Romania. Ang dami mga tourist. Kami, sarili lang namin tourist ang inaano namin. Ayan, guys. Ayan, kami lang. Yan, guys. Maganda dito sa Roman. Tumaba na nga kami. Ayun, mga tourist sila. Yung church. Ma'am? Ayan, guys. Sana, guys. Ito yung Revolution Square daw. Maganda. Yan yung rebirth. Rebirth yan. Yan. What is this? Ceausescu? Ceausescu?
Oh.
What is that? You don't know? Ha? Ayan, guys, tatawid na naman kami. Grand Hotel Continental. Ayan, guys. Ganda niya, diba? Wine shop. Yan. Casino. Yan yung casino. Going to casino, guys. Hotel Novotel. Hotel Novotel. Yan na. Pupunta kami sa may Old Town, guys. Yan, guys. Brazil. Ang dami mga ano dito, kainan. Romania. There's the Romania flag. There's Merital. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito sa may Bucharest, guys. Sen na, guys. Ito, ang dami nilang kinoconstruct. Ni-renovate. Ayan yung electric bus. Yan, guys. Dito kami nasa Old Town. This is the Old Town now. Here is the Old Town now. Diamond Boutique. Uulan na. Politya daw, Politya. Station ng police. In Memoria Polish. Dito na kami sa Old Town, guys. We're buying some souvenirs. Ayan yung mga Romanian dress nila. Parang Cyprus din. Yan, ang mga cafe-cafe nila. We'll find a souvenir, mommy. Here. Ang ganda nito, oh. It's nice, this church. Look. The church. May kalapati. This one. Ang ganda nito, guys. Nire-renovate nila. It's a big one. Yes. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda pala dito, oh. Ceramic renovation. Yes. Andito na kami sa Old Town. Parang nasa Italy din tayo. Ayan, yung mga tourists. Oh, there is a church. Ayan na. Guys, sarap. Ayan, mga bungo. China. Treasures of China. Lali. Ang dami mga turista dito. Ayan, nag-explain sila kung ano yan yung church na yan, ganyan. Oh, I think it's raining. Naku, parang uulan na tayo.
Small.
Yan, guys. Mulan na, wala kaming payong. Yan, mga turista din. Yan. Yan, guys. Ang ganda yung church, yung maliit. Yan. Yan, ang ganda ng church. Maliit. Yes, we go get a darling. Ha? Here, guys. Where? Sure. Souvenir, Old Town.
Mommy, where
Dito yung souvenirs. I don't know, mommy. I will check the map. Ayan, punta kami bili ng souvenirs. Old Town souvenirs.
What is souvenir?
Есть, когда ты на пол.
Make like this.
Old town souvenir.
Buy tayo ng souvenirs.
Oh, we
Don't make
go.
malaki. Yes, Kevin mo.
Oh, we go.
Go inside. Go inside now.
Where?
Bili tayo ng souvenirs, guys. Yan mga souvenirs nila, guys. Ganda. How much? Here. I love Bucharest. Eh, 12.
Euro?
No, Lee.
Ну, скажи.
It's better like this.
I didn't want the flag.
Not that one. Hmm? Check another. 12, 12.
You see this magnet?
And this is for the keychain. Check a keychain. Huh? Ah, there is a keychain. That one.
This is nice. Go for the magnet.
Yan guys, ang dami mga souvenirs.
Mommy, I want also.
This one. Take it.
Oh.
Here we go. We will take one. I will take this one. I'll take this one. This. Or this one. Which better? This.
And this one.
No, mommy. I think it's better this one. Huh? Wala tool parliament. Because we go here. Yes, or this. Huh? Which is better?